Hey guys, we just died. While I was putting the name up, he pretty much grabbed us both at the same time. So, wow, we lasted 25 minutes. I told you we didn't get the one at the train. Oh, actually, we might have. Right, I want to watch this replay because we probably walked in the same spot like 50 times. Yeah, look. Yeah, you just died then. You're dead now. Wow, we actually went really far across that map. I didn't know we went that far. But we kept going in circles. Yeah, look, we just went straight back to the beginning. We missed out half of the map. Oh no, wait, going that way now. Yeah, we missed out half of the map. Look, we're just going in huge circles. And then we both die. Wow. So guys, that was White Noise Online. That lasted 5 episodes. I know this is like the shortest video of this you'll probably ever see, but I kind of started the video after we died. So, yeah, at least you got to see the replay. Thanks for watching, guys, and a big thanks for PTDS0 and Pancho Vila 1096. Yep. He wants to be my friend now. Yay! Okay. Like, I never knew you could make friends by, getting chased after a monster. I have 98, so... How is my friend list is full? I have 98. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in another episode of something.